Today is my
birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Where are we?
Hey, I'm a strong mama.
Pine trees ba yan?
Christmas tree.
Ito yung mga batang na genocide before. Ay, grabe. The massacre, the Armenian. Local ice creams, yung mga local foods. Sa Mosavang Monastery. Oh, it's scary. Ayoko na pumunta doon. Masyado nang malalim. We are here at Vienna Ribs. The ribs. Coffee kay mama.
Yes, this is espresso frappuccino.
Good morning, everyone. So, our second day here in Armenia. Punta kami mamaya ng Aragats. Welcoming tour. See you later. Good morning. Today is my
Birthday.
Punta muna kami sa ground floor para mag-breakfast bagong aming Aragats tour. Are you excited?
No.
Ito ang kanilang breakfast. May pancakes, rosata, caracum, croissant, may mga different honey. Oh! Hello! May pa coffee, fruits. Yeah, may mga bread dyan. Ito, initan ng sausages, salad, mga condiments, yogurt, cheese. Hi, Mama!
Ay, mag-juice na lang ako ngayon. Kaya,
Juices. Meron din sila dito, coffee. Okay lang. Wala ako ng food ko. See you later. Okay, this is my plate. Yung tatlong yan. Ito naman ang kay Charmaine. Salad, mushroom and sausages, and
then after this,
okay, let's eat. There, mushroom.
Think mo, your milk, you drink milk. Milk. Fresh milk.
It's my birthday breakfast.
Move over there. Kasi yung baka mamaya tama dito. Yan yata yung salamin nyo. Pwede. Ayaw mo na ng yogurt. I will remove the fruit. Oh.
Armenian cheese. Armenian cheese.
Anong lasa na Armenian cheese?
Parang naminis.
Sarap.
Oh, here.
Apple juice.
And then this one, ha? This one.
Show the camera you're eating sausage. Come on, show the camera.
Kahit yung lahat ng sausage, ganyan yan.
Oh, come on, show the camera. Ooh. Christoph is eating sausage.
Hotel kasi talaga siya. Kaya yung kanyang pagkain.
Mixed sausage. Lahat ng type ng sausage masarap, no? Very good. So the camera is very good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay! I love you, Christoph.
Ah, dali na.
Nandiyan
Ulit na yung ano.
I love you. We are here now at our first destination, Genocide Museum. Where are we?
Saan yan?
Ano, Genocide Museum.
Side. Natanggalin na lang namin yung ano. Of different traditions.
Yeah.
Brazil.
Also, maybe it's very nasty.
Every president daw may plant dito. Baka daw meron ding Philippines. Baka Russia.
Hi!
My birthday tour.
This is first birthday Romeo. For in anong area to?
Armenian Genocide Museum.
Parang ang hirap din memorize.
Hello guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Armenian Genocide Museum. nagkaroon din pala ng genocide before ang Armenian people. So, pumunta tayo din ngayon sa baba, sa basement. Nandun yung mga detailed history kung anong nangyari before. So, dito pa lang tayo ngayon sa labas. So, tignan niyo yung view. Maganda yung mga puno, no?
Ano daw siya, Finland ng iba't ibang presidente. Sa iba't ibang bansa.
Ito yung lugar ng maraming Christmas tree.
Oh,
Yung kanilang mga
Christmas trees. May nakita ko US, France,
Iba-ibang
Georgia.
ano.
iba't ibang bansa. Yung puno na yan. Hey! I'm a strong mama. Enjoy din si baby mag-tour eh. Kasi pag
Kaya nga,
nag-tour,
hindi siya naiyak. Samahan nyo kami sa baba. Punta tayo ngayon sa museum nila dito sa
Armenia.
yun, yung mga pine trees ba yan?
Christmas tree daw.
Yung parang Christmas tree or pine trees. Magaganda. So ito yung sinasabi kong basement pababa. Yan. Okay, mamaya na ako mag-video. Baka kami ay matapilok. See you guys. Christoph, come here.
The birthday boy.
Thank you. Mama, ikot tayo. Charm.
Hi.
Christoph, come on. Come here, come on. Come inside. And this is their history. Yung mga significant people nila, mga milestones, yung time na nagkaroon ng genocide. Mababasa nyo lahat yan dito. If you have time, it's great to read all the details. Ito yung mga batang na genocide before. Yung mga itsura nila, mga Armenian people. Kawawa naman sila. Yung mga bata, oh, sa loob. Pero mapasok ko doon yung mga batang na genocide.
Look, she's all here in Marseille.
Ay, grabe. The Massacre de Armenie. Okay, after this one. Hello guys, good morning. We are now here at Samosava Monastery. Yung mga binibenta itong local ice creams and mga local foods. Mga local delicacy siguro. Medyo sunny, pero malamig naman. Hindi naman ganun kainit, so it's okay. Charm!
Hi.
We are, nandito na tayo sa ating first monastery of the day.
Yes. Ganda nung ay sa mga bato-bato ng state.
Mga historical.
Historical places.
Tabi lang siya ng mga mountains. Ganda. Samosava Monastery. Biglang dumami na yung mga turista. Kanina kami lang. So, dumating na sila. Buti na pag picture pa kami kanina nang kami lang. Nang wala pa masyadong tao. Wow, parang may cliff.
Stop it.
Wow, Christoph. Nakakatakot. Oh, it's scary. Ayoko nang pumunta dun. Masyado nang malalim.
Line up along this way, the church is going to be behind you. Have the boys stand in the back.
Halika na. Come on, let's go. Chachapin lang natin.
Birthday church visit. Monastery visit. Happy birthday to me with my lovely wife and bunso. Pray lang kami sandali. We are now at Armenian alphabet. May sila mga souvenir. I'll come back later. ship charm. Lapit na tayo. ATV.
Together. You want? Together.
Some of the other picture. Yucky. Kulangot. You're making kulangot. Yucky. You're thinking. Oh, first of
So, pang lamig pa din.
Mama, how? I told you.
You told me what?
But you.
We are here at Ambird Fortress. Dito lang kami sa Bukana. Kasi kapag pumasok ka daw sa loob, may bayad na 1.5 tram. Nirecommend nung driver na wag na daw bumaba. Tingnan. Pakita mo.
Ano ba to? Punta ba tayo dito sa garden?
One, where are we?
In Vienna Ribs.
Christoph, where are you?
And yellow leaves.
Dito kami mag-dinner for my birthday. Vienna Ribs. Ito sana yung orderin namin isa pa kaso masyadong malaki for us. 1.4 kilo lang daw yung available. Wala yung 1 kilo. So, pumili na lang kami ng iba. Ito yung pinili namin isa pa. Veal.
No, look fast. Not like that. You put the inside the line. If you're going to school, dapat hindi yan. Look fast.
Okay, hindi ko napakita lahat. Masyadong madami. See you later pag dumating yung mga pagka. Yan, may pang-libang naman sila sa mga bata, no? Yung mga coloring, activity. Si Baby meron din kaganina eh, kaso nilulukot niya lang, hindi na kinukulayan. Maganda yung ambience. Para siyang retro? Ano bang team yan?
Natok.
Mashed potato. After ilang days tayo share mo lang rice? After 6 days na walang rice, makapag-rice na ulit kami. Lamb. Ay, ano pa to? Veal. Veal chops. And our main course, the ribs. Christoph, are you excited? Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Christoph, it's my birthday. What you will say?
Oh, happy birthday!
Flying kiss.
Oh, this is alright.
Okay, let's try the ribs. Which part?
Masarap dito.
Ngayon ang sauce nila. Vienna sauce. Ang sarap. Mashed potato.
This is pork.
Small potato. Cherry potato.
You buy it, ha?
Veal charm. Oh. Parang ang sarap oh. Parang ang nipis, no?
Ito pa yata siya.
Sarap.
Sarap magluto yung chef.
Meron din siyang kasamang minced potato.
Pati yung ano, masarap.
Meron din siyang kasamang coleslaw.
Cubus can go inside. Go away before the car to the back.
Okay. Change. So, thank you. Ay, pala ng ano. Wow, very good. Christoph is eating ribs.
Alright. Yung ibang customer nasa taas.
Mm. Nagustuhan ni Christoph, no? Nagustuhan ni Christoph, ah.
Saka may rice eh.
Yeah.
Saka ang lambot eh. Ang sa isa kanin noong araw, di ba? Pero sa atin malambot na yan.
Mm. Okay, tapusin na namin yung pagkain namin. See you later. Ito po ang aftermath ng ribs. Nakuha na nila yung mga bones kanina, so empty na yung lamesa. Ano masasabi mo, mama, sa ating kinain?
The best.
The best ribs. Christoph, do you like what we ate? What do you like the most? Huh? The ribs. Do you like the most? No, the most.
Ribs.
Ribs. From Vienna Ribs. Pagkapunta sila dito, no? Ayun nila. Pati yung veal salad.
Yung veal salad masarap.
Yeah.
That is only Byron.
Kaya yung veal salad,
This one
yung
is
ribs nila. Tsaka may kanin sila dito if you miss rice. Tsaka yung mashed potato, ano ito? Masarap din. Oh, yun lang. See ya. Happy birthday to me. I love you, wife.
Parang hindi kaya ni mama.
We are at Cascade. Ayan, tourist spot siya din mga charm. May mga iba-ibang lahi. Taiwanese. Bandal lang anak ko ha. We are here now at Kafishan Center for the Arts.
Espresso frap. Anong gusto mo sa'yo?
We're just waiting for our order. In progress pa lang ang aming order. Ito yung pangalan ng kanila, Juice and Coffee Shop. Coffee House. So, waiting na sila Charm dito. So, upuan. Si Christoph, wala na yung sapatos kasi naglaro siya sa fountain kanina. Did you enjoy playing in fountain?
Yeah.
Okay. What this is?
This one is coffee frappuccino.
Coffee kay mama.
Yes, this is espresso frappuccino.
Charm.
This one is smoothie.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Coffee frappuccino, espresso frappuccino. Ano daw to? Orange
Grape.
or orange grape. Cheers.
Sarap.
Do you like it? You're already coughing. Is it okay? Okay. Do you like it? Sarap?
I like it.
Sarap. How's your drink, mama?
Oh, masarap.
kiss. Okay. May nang agaw na naman ang aking drinks. Ang pangalan ay Crystal. Inagaw niya ang aking inumin. Birthday ko pa naman, inagaw niya. Wala akong nagawa. Kasi iyak siya. Tumataas din siya eh, oh. Kaya yung mga bata nababasa din bigla eh. Kasi habang hawak ng mga bata ng maliit, ng mababa pa lang siya, biglang tataas. Ayun, basang-basa sila. Pwede naman dito maligo. Yung mga parents nagdadala ng pampalit nila. Next time, sa umaga, tatry namin pagdating dito sa Cristo para kahit mabasa siya, okay lang. Malapit na naman to sa hotel namin. Mga 3 minutes walk from our hotel. Yan. Malamig daw yung tubig, sabi ni mama. Try natin. Oo, malamig na.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.